Dictation will be started in few seconds. Be ready. Start. Sir, thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak on the company's amendment bill. Sir, this house and the other house passed the Companies Amendment Act 2013 after an exercise of more than a decade. The Companies Act 1956 was replaced by Companies Act 2013 after a prolonged discussion, deliberations with the industry chambers and all the stakeholders. After several recommendations by the Standing Committee, it went twice to the Standing Committee only in 2013. The 1956 Act was replaced by Companies Act 2013. Para. Now, the Act was notified only partially in 2013 and from 1st April 2014 the Act was implemented. Within a period of 6 months, the government has come out with several amendments to the Act, and there are nearly 14 sections which have been amended. I do not see any reason for amendment of some of the provisions, like removing the threshold limit for minimum capital requirement for private companies and public companies. The previous act clearly says that the private companies should have a minimum capital of 1 lakh and the public companies should have a minimum capital of 5 lakh. This was a provision introduced to curb the shell companies and to put restrictions while incorporating the companies. This has been removed, and then there is no capital requirement envisaged in the present amendment for incorporating a company. Then the next amendment is not making the common seal mandatory. The common seal is a seal which authenticates all documents of a company, and that is a seal which is required to be authenticated, and that has been made optional. I do not see any reason for this change. Para. Then I welcome that section 76A has been added to protect the depositors and to make the offence a cognizable offence under section 447. We have to protect the depositors. Of course, the original section, which is section 76, has the provision to protect them, but now more transparency has been brought in. I welcome it. As far as section 188 is concerned, where an agreement to be filed in certain cases, special resolution was necessary, which was very important. That has been removed. If these provisions can be passed with an ordinary resolution, I feel that this amendment is not necessary. Guys, subscribe the channel for more new dictation. Thank you.